So today my chore is to clean the downstairs office, and because it's the first of the month, we're going to go ahead and deep clean the Keurig. This is similar to the daily cleaning of the Keurig, but it just has a few extra steps. The first thing we're going to do is go ahead and take all the removable parts out. So we're going to go ahead and remove this as well as the cup. So if there's a cup in there, just go ahead and toss it. You want to remove this, which you can do by just pulling straight up. And then we're also going to take this reservoir out as well and rinse that out too. So to the bathroom we go. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and grab our vinegar, which is in the first supply closet. We're gonna grab the cup and the vinegar. Now we're gonna grab the cleaning supplies out of the cup. Now we're ready to start cleaning. The first thing you want to do is put everything back together. And then we're going to go ahead and just put this in for now while we wipe everything down. So you want to fill it with vinegar till it covers this blue filter right here. Very technical, I know. I'm just gonna pull it in. That looks good. Now we're gonna fill it the rest of the way up with water. Okay. So now we're gonna go ahead and put this back in. Go ahead and push the on button. And again, just wanna make sure that there's no cup in here. We don't want vinegar flavored coffee, that would be gross. So then you wanna go ahead and use the cup that we've put with the vinegar. Stick it right on there. You may have to open it and close it to get these blue lights to start blinking. You're gonna hear the Keurig start to turn on. And then we're gonna select the biggest cup sized. Now that it's ran through once, we're gonna go ahead and pop the lid up again, and we're gonna run it as many times as it takes to empty this, and then we're actually gonna go ahead and fill it up 2 more times. So we're filling this up and running it a total of 3 times just to ensure that all the vinegar is gone, because we really don't want vinegar flavored coffee. So now that the cup is full, we're gonna go ahead and dump it. Something to remember is it's gonna be really hot because it's coffee temperature water. So you wanna grab it by the top part, and then we're gonna go dump it in the bathroom sink. So now that we've filled it 3 times and ran it 3 times, we're gonna go ahead and we've just filled it with regular water, so it's good to go for the day. Something you can do if you'd like is to make a cup of coffee and make sure that all the vinegar is gone, but it's not a requirement, so help yourself to coffee after you did all that hard work.